I've just created a fresh Rails 8 application, and I've not made any changes to it on my Mac, but instead, I've just opened it up in my Finder to browse around some of the files. And if I now go into the terminal, I see that there is an unstaged commit. So if I run a git status, we see that there is a DS store in here. That's a typical file that's created on a Mac, and I could go into my gitignore and add that file in here. So now when I run a git status, it doesn't show that DS store file anymore, but instead, now just my modified gitignore where I'd added that one entry. But this is kind of annoying to do on all of my projects. So in this episode, we're going to look at how we can do a gitignore in a global way. To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftingruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.